Hi everyone, so in this video here I'm going to show you how I set my bike on a stationary trainer, and in this video here I'm using the very traditional axle here that has a bolts. So the axle that I'm using on this bike has the bolts. However, keep in mind I do recommend highly that you should be using the quick release skewer right here, which is going to fit nicely in there, but I'm going to also show you in this video how this can work as well. Okay, so let's get into this video right now. So the first thing that you want to do here, you see, I have the floor pump, and you want to pump this tire to 85 psi. If it's a really thin one, you want to do 100 psi. Okay, so once you have your tire pressure sorted out, this is the next step. Okay, so in a perfect world, you want to be using this kind of skewer. So you see that this top end here should fit entirely into this coupling here. And the second one over here, this one should fit into that coupling right down there. See this gray part right here. It should fit this part right here. Okay, so let's put this aside over here. Now, first thing that you want to do here, you want to bring the bike, put it here in the center. And for this reference here, I'm using the old kind of style road bike, and look what I have done here. I don't recommend doing this, but I made it work for my case. You see here, I don't have a quick release, I do have the bolts. So what I had done, I anchored the bolt here. Let's you zoom in here. I anchored the bolt in a coupling here, into this coupling housing right here. And this one here is halfway through. So it's kind of halfway inside, halfway out, which works out, and I'm going to show you later on. However, this one over here, that bolt is all the way inside. So I'll let you see what I'm talking about here. You see here? Is all the way inside there. There's no room. Okay, so now, just want to prove you that works. This is the handle that you want to keep an eye on. This goes in and out to tighten this bolt this side, so that you push the bolt nicely in order to fall in. And this side over here, this thing turns. Okay, sorry, here. So this thing turns. It's this thing. It's gonna turn this one. That's gonna push this coupling inside of the bolt. So the bolt will be pushed in and it'll be covered. And just for the reference here, I'm gonna show you. This is very, very firm. So, and then this triangle is very firm, and this thing works beautifully. And I'm gonna spin the wheel for you guys. There you go. So this definitely works. The last thing that you want to keep an eye on is your adjustment part right here. So this is the adjustment, and you see this one has a quick release adjustment here. You see now, but now let's say when you put it back in there, you see that you have this handle here that you want to turn on. You see right here. So this handle here you want to mess with here, and then this is gonna kind of press. It's gonna kind of go closer, and it's gonna go further out from your tire. So this is how much pressure you want to engage. But at the same time, you also have this handle here, which is gonna kind of release and so on. So you have this thing here, and you have this thing right here, which is this one on here, right here. There's a handle here that's gonna adjust this. And if I spin the wheel, you see everything works. It has a decent resistance that I need. And this is basically a quick tip how you set your bike on a stationary trainer. And as you see, now it's winter time. Now is a good time to practice. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.